Well, we've got another crate club here to check out. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. I'm trying to get my advertiser voice down. So anyway, the ones that do the disclaimers from the lawyers. Anyway, the folks at Crate Club were kind enough to send me another one of their quarterly subscription boxes. That's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at that. So let me get it out of the way now and get to it because I got like 8 minutes of battery left. So this is not going to be a long rambling video. So first of all, we got a little book in here that tells you what's in there. Let's get to it. Crate Club, again, is a quarterly subscription box. They have different levels of subscription, and unlike Battle Box, which are cumulative, which means at each level, you pay a little more money, you get a little more stuff. I think they have, at the different levels, you have different stuff in there. There may be a little overlap, but you can check their website out and see. This is the general box, which I think is the top box, or one of the top boxes. But let's just see what's in this one. We'll start here. They have body wipes, which are, it's pretty cool. These are large body wipes. They are 11 by 11 inches, and that's a pretty neat deal there. And and they're clean free, scent free, which is good. And it's a little pack of body wipes, and there are, doesn't say how many are in here, but it looks like there's a pretty good bit in here. And so that's pretty cool there. And they are no fragrance, which is good because you don't want to, if you're hunting or whatever, you don't want to have fragrance in there. So there's that. That's pretty cool. The next thing in here is a pack of Newstat hemostatic pads, which these are things that stop bleeding, right? It's kind of like quick clot or something like that. So you put them on a bad wound and they will actually cause it to clot and stop. So that's pretty cool too. Always good to have in your kit. Next is a First Line CLP oil applicator. And that's for CLP oil for firearms or even knives. I may have seen one of those in a Battle Box. There's generally I think these guys are connected to a Battle Box, and sometimes there is a little overlap there. We've talked about that before. That's next one. I know I've seen in a Battle Box before, and it's a really cool thing. It's called Quick Cord, and you load up this cord in there. It's got a little place to put the Siloom light stick on the side of it, and it gives you a chance to pull out the cord tangle free, and it's got a cutter on it, and it's just really cool. Good way to keep yourself some cord in case you need it, and made in the USA. Pretty cool there as well. The next thing is another item I know I've seen on a Battle Box, and I like it a lot. It says Hero Clip, which is also pretty cool. It's got a swivel on it. You can hang stuff and clip stuff, and it's really cool. So you've seen that before. It's a really nice thing. So I know I've seen that on a Battle Box, and it was, I think, one of my favorite items when I picked my favorite for that one. Next item on here is also something that's very, very useful. It is a POD Extreme Jump Box. And these are those boxes, you just charge them up, keep them in your dash, under your seat, and if you need to jump off a vehicle, they will do it. This one's for most motorcycles to V8s and diesel trucks. This is 1,600 milliamps, so that's pretty good. It is a high-performance one. And I tell you, these things are a lifesaver because you don't have to find somebody with jumper cables to jump you off, so they work really well. And I've tried several different ones, and they all seem to work. So there's that. A few more things in here. This is pretty cool. LED lenser. It's an ML6 lantern. I think I've seen one of these in a Battle Box as well. It's a really cool little LED lantern. What I like about it is it doesn't have that bright LED flat. It's got a little bit of a diffuser on it. So it's pretty cool. And it's 750 to 550 lumens. So that's pretty cool. There's a couple more things in here. Let's see. First of all, there's a Fox Edge folding knife. FE320, pretty sure, again, I've seen this one in a Battle Box. I keep saying that because I want to remind you that I think if you want a subscription box, one or the other is what you want. I don't think you want to get this and a Battle Box, but that's a big old honking knife, and there you go. That's the Fox Edge FE520. And then finally, another really cool knife, and again, this is something I really like, I'll be honest with you. It is I got to cut this thing open. Well, you know what? I got a knife right here, and we're going to do that right now. Bam. Just going to cut her open because I want you, oh man, ooh, that baby's sharp now. So I got to get Fox Edge has got an edge. This is one of my favorite knife companies, Tops Knives, made in the USA. And this is the Tops Knives. What does it say? I'm rushing a little bit, but I'm trying to run up. I'm trying to beat the battery. This is a Tops Knives poker. Got the nice little beta clips on here to put it. It's kind of like a self-defense knife. You can clip it right on your belt there and you have it handy. And man, there you go. And for everybody that says, yeah, but I need a bigger self-defense knife, Clint Smith asked a question in class at Thunder Ranch. We're talking about big knives. Show me anywhere on your body that you would want to be cut 1 inch deep. So, and that's about 2 inches. So I wouldn't want to be cut with that. And it's by golly sharp. So there's a very quick snapshot look at the latest Crate Club. And I got to say, I think they got some cool stuff. I'm trying to pick my favorites out of here. For me right now, the favorite in this one, I like this Tops knife. I like it a lot. And honestly, believe it or not, these body wipes I think are pretty cool because they're not too huge. They're just the right size, and there's a whole pack of them. Those are really handy to have and keep with you. So there you go. Thanks again to the folks at Crate Club for sending me these things every quarter so I can show them to you and kind of give you examples of what to expect if you want to check them out. As always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos throughout the week. I really appreciate your support. By the way, if you want to help support the channel financially, you can go to patreon.com/survivalonpurpose and check that out. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name is Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.